Good morning and welcome to Fern Bushcraft. Thank you for joining me. It's a special one today. It's the first woodland gathering, so that's the Paul's just dropping off all the gear that we need for it and the firewood. Much appreciated, Paul's. It saves me lugging it all the way down, doesn't it? So I'm just walking into camp now. I'm a couple of hours before the event starts, so I'm just going to try and get everything sorted out. So all my stuff's still here from last time. Camp spot's looking lovely. The new fire pit that we're all going to be trying out later. Lots of tripods, lots of projects. We've got all this wood behind me here. I don't know if you can see it, and that's what we're going to use to make a picnic bushcraft bench. Lots of other things really. It's not a formalised event. It's whatever people want to learn. We've got I think 10 coming, but the site itself's got lots of people on it as well, so it's lovely to see the site busy. We love that. That's what it's all about. So yeah, it's going to be very exciting. I'm going to start getting some bits set up, and then people should be arriving in about an hour and a half, so that's plenty of time. I'll get the fire going so they can have a hot brew as soon as they get here and start enjoying themselves. I'll try and film as much as I can, but equally, you know, got to take into account some people might not want to be filmed and put on YouTube, so that all depends on what they say when they get here, following the meet and greet and the safety brief. Yeah, incredibly excited. Thanks for joining me. Hi folks, absolutely brilliant day so far. Everybody's been mucking in, getting involved with the fire starting, the tarpology, the knots, everything. They're all really enjoying themselves. Everybody's been given a win, which is the point of today. There's no point getting people starting lots of activities if they're not going to get a win out of it. So everybody has lit a fire. Yeah, it's been really good. It's more the swapping of the stories than the swapping of the skills really. You know, you just end up sitting there enjoying yourself, nip into a project, nip out of a project. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna just walking into camp now. I mean, you can hear him in the background, but I'll walk into camp now so you can see what we're doing so far. Just like that.
With that one, because that's the right size, it'll go straight through it this time. Yeah. You want to go with that one first?
Well, not me, I did it.
Go on, Blossom. More oxygen and you've got it.
Whichever way you want, but if you're going to do it, you have to make sure it comes to the side of you.
Perfect. Let's go in now. Go on. It's right on the cusp of it. Go on, mate. No, you're all right, love.
stop. You can't stop. Once you start, that's it.
You can't keep at it.
Can I show you a trick?
Oh, the fingers. Yeah.
Tight as you can.
Oh, Kate's on a win. Go on.
Sorry. It's doing it. That's it. Keep blowing it out of my hand.
I think maybe we'll try a bit more hay next time. That might give you a head start. Oh, I missed it, Blossom. Did you get it?
Yeah.
After all that hard work, I missed the finance.
So take it out. So remember always.
For a while, you do it to conquers, and it ends up
So now you're going towards your hand. Just move. Yeah, that's it. So if you have your hand like that.
maintenance.
Now you're not coming towards anything, are you? Yeah, you're always going away from yourself. Yeah.
Males do in the real life.
Absolutely sod all and just watch.
Like the way that you get on with it. The tablet's here.
That's the top one. This section. So all you want to do is cut down in sets, 25mm, 30mm, something like it. It doesn't have to be exact at all. Right, you're all good. Yeah, I mean you will burn out, admittedly. Perfect. Yeah, keep doing it. Yeah, not 5 of them. You'll be fine. And use the maul and the blade to do the actual work itself rather than reinforce. All we do is skim along the top of it and go down and down. Perfect. The more wood you take off gradually, the reducing the pressure.
Not that.
Yeah, nailed it. That's time for the dowel.
I made that down.
See that sound difference then? You're well through. Yeah, have a feel of that. You're right through.
Perfect.
So as before.
I've had to tie thousands of, like, £2,000 worth of yacht to pile.
Why did he put